Happy November to you. The first thing I want to say is I'm really sorry you didn't get a newsletter in September or October. I actually got COVID for a few months pretty badly after coming back from Edinburgh in August. So anyway, I'm back now and it's lovely to be back here with you. And on that note, talking about Edinburgh, I did a monologue, which was part of a show, and I actually made a mistake. And that's why I've written a blog about mistakes this month, because a lot of people, understandably, are fearful about making a mistake when they do any kind of public speaking. So please do take a look at that. And there's also a tip related to that. And I've got one final workshop coming up this year, which is public speaking on Friday, the 2nd of December. It's a full day workshop in central Bristol. So please have a look at that if you're interested or you know anyone who may be interested. And on the theme of workshops, I'm going to be running different kinds of workshops next year on different kinds of topics. And I'd love your thoughts on that, what you may be interested in to do with public speaking, presenting, communication, networking, running workshops. Do let me know. And would you like them bite-size, half day, day? Any information is very much appreciated so I can meet your needs as far as possible. So do have a great month and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.